So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have my sister with me. Say hi.
Hi.
So today we are going to share our skincare routine with you. Basically the routine which we do on weekly basis. So yeah, let's start with it. So for the first step, I have already washed my face. And have you washed your face?
Yeah, already done with the face wash and with the icing too.
So I'll do my icing right now.
And I'm jumping into the scrub.
So it basically helps to tighten the pores, and I have a lot of pores over here. So yeah, for that icing is very important. So give some info about your scrub. Which scrub are you using?
This is basically an apricot scrub which helps not only to detan but also to cleanse your pores. And I am a little bit with a skin texture which has pores, so yes, this scrub is really very helpful. And we can tag the brand of the scrub below.
Yeah, we will mention all the details about the products, what we are using in the description below so that you guys can check it out. So yeah, now I'm done with my icing and now I'll use a scrub as well. So we both share the same scrub. And now, for how many minutes will you let it sit on your face?
I think 10 minutes is more than enough.
Yeah, because it depends on your skin texture, right?
Yeah.
So I'll just...
And this, the plus point of this scrub is that it doesn't feel heavy on your skin.
Yeah.
So there are many scrubs out there in the market which feels very heavy on your skin.
Yeah.
So we really like this product,
and it is an organic scrub as well. So yeah guys, we are back. And we have washed our face. Now we will quickly dry it. So drying our face is also very important step, as we will just pat it.
Yeah.
We won't drag it, we will just pat. So now I'll just apply it, and it has got this little cute spoolie. And yeah, this is the mask. If you want to use, you can.
And all these products are budget friendly, guys.
Yeah.
They are not at all high priced products that you cannot afford. So you must include all these products if you are on your skincare journey.
Yeah, we'll just apply it very softly.
The color of the mask is also another thing
Very
that
cute, very aesthetic.
we chose this mask.
That's it. I recently got it in PR. So yeah, after using it I really liked it, so we bought another one. That's it. Apply a even layer of the mask.
The mask is really clayey.
Yeah, it is a
This is
clay
a
mask, so
platform.
yeah, it is very soft and smooth on your skin. So yeah, this is how I look after applying it.
Gentle application.
Evenly spread it out over your face, and obviously not on your eyes. Some people tend to put mask on their eye, above their eye, or really like underneath their eye, but I don't. So yeah, that's
And
it.
for how much time you need to put this clay mask on?
Yeah, I think for like 5 minutes it will be enough. 5 to 10 minutes. And now I'll just apply a toner, and side by side I'll use a lip scrub. So yeah, that's it for toner. We use this toner from Dr. Batra, and it is really a nice one. Also, it's made from all natural ingredients. So yeah,
we tend to forget lip scrubs, which are really important. And the lip scrub that we have is from Plum. It's really like soothing lip scrub
and
with a little bit of minty.
Yeah, so for this toner, I have just used 3-4 drops, and yeah, we'll just do it like this, and for my lip scrub, I'll use this one from Miniso. It is this one. Wait, I'll show you the packaging. It is very cute. Yeah, this one. Kissy Lip Balm in Strawberry.
And this is a coffee lip mask, guys.
Yeah. So this one I got in PR, the Plum one, and I have used it, and it's really nice. So I'll just apply it with my fingers.
And with lips, you have to be a little more gentle. Do not run through your skin. Just little bit of dabbing, and you're good to go.
So yes guys, we are back, and now we'll just remove it.
And I would like to gently rub off my lip scrub with my finger so that we can have the dead skin out.
Cotton pads to remove it. Yeah, thank you.
You can gently buff off this scrub also so that you can have the dead skin out of your lips. And then you can go out with a cotton pad, or even you can wash it off with the running water. Fine with it.
But for me, I think you should like remove it with the cotton pad first and then wash it off. So guys, see the tint which I said that it will give. It is there. Now the next step is moisturizer, and for that we use our Holy Grail Pond's hyaluronic tub. It is a tub, like
huge amount of Pond's.
So we both use this. It is how
such a gentle moisturizer. Yeah. We must tell you.
It is like water-based, gel-based moisturizer, and it is really nice.
So lightweight, you can see the whole consistency. It's so lightweight, transparent in color,
and yeah, you don't have to apply it in a huge amount.
The best part is,
yeah, you can like just put a little bit of it, and it goes a long way. You don't have to reapply it again and again. After doing the moisturizer, I usually use a jade roller and use it in the upward direction, like this one, the big one, and use it in the upward direction, so that it helps you
the skin the product absorbs
the product gets absorbed in the skin. And
any tip for using the jade roller?
Before applying it, before using it, I have like put it in the freezer, because
you can dunk it in the
you can even dunk it in the water, cold water, so that your skin really feels nice.
And in alternate of using a jade roller, we have
gua sha.
A gua sha.
So yeah,
there's a whole technique of using these tools. If you are using it in the right manner, then only it will going to work for you. Otherwise, it's just using a tool on your skin, nothing else. So we have researched a lot before going on with the tools, and then only we have included it in our skincare process.
I actually follow Kendall Jenner's skincare routine. So I have seen her using the rollers, and I have seen how she uses it.
No one uses the gua sha better than.
Now we'll go on with the SPF, and for SPF we both use Dot & Key. We have like recently discovered that it is a good sunscreen.
The best SPF till now.
Yeah, this
The
one
Dot &
is
Key
the
one.
it, and we both use the same
It's
one.
not a sponsored video, guys.
Yeah,
but
even though I've got it in PR, but still.
it's not a sponsored
Yeah.
one. It's literally the best SPF. As I have a dry and an oily combination, and she is a acne prone, like heavy acne prone. So this is the best that suits both of us. So yeah,
So a little bit.
it is a liquidy textured sunscreen.
Yeah, before this one, I used to use the Isden one, but it is like a little bit expensive. So if you want a drugstore one, you can go on with the Dot & Key one. Apply it and then like gently massage it in. Again, be careful with your eyes. Yeah. I don't follow the 2-finger methods for the sunscreen. I don't feel like going on with it, even though it is a nice way. But still, don't forget your neck. Until and unless I put the I put the sunscreen on my face, I don't feel that
And it's
I'm
not at all heavy on your skin.
ready
The
to
best
go.
part of this sunscreen is
Yeah.
you would feel that you are wearing nothing, but it's a really helpful protective shield right
Yeah.
now.
It also has a good smell. Little bit of smell.
Yeah, a little but fragrant.
Nice one. So yeah, this one is it. The basic one. It says that it has vitamin C plus E and is a super bright sunscreen, water light fluid. It is, and it gives you SPF 50 plus, PA plus 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 plus, and it includes the Sicilian blood orange and is for all skin types. Give you dewy finish, fights with dullness and dark spots. And we'll go on with applying a lip balm or a lip
Without
gloss,
lip balm,
anything.
you cannot do.
So for me, I use the Laneige one.
And for me, it's one and only the Huda Beauty Fox filler.
Yeah.
You
Yes.
can go on with any color, but right now I'm going in with the shade Foxy.
Yeah. So we'll apply it. Even this has a very good smell. It's just like the Center Fresh chewing gum that we eat. Candy one. Yeah, that's it. And we are done with it.
Even Laneige has very good lip products.
Yeah, this
the
is
lip
how it
scrubs
looks.
and their lip
This is
balms
how it
are
looks.
just unbeatable.
Yeah, and now you can see how glowy my lips are and how shiny they are. That was it for our weekly skincare routine. So
We hope that you have liked it.
yeah, we hope that you liked the video, and if you liked it, so you can give a thumbs up and subscribe to my
Subscribe
channel.
to the channel.
Yeah, and also comment down if you think that I have skipped any step, or if you want any detailed knowledge or information about any step or any product, you can drop in the comments. And yeah, that's it. And hope you like my vlog with my sister.
Right.
Yeah, so
Thank
bye
you guys
guys.
for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching.